I'm like, I'm youth, bro. 10:30, I'll go start smoking my weed. Have a good night. Call some chicks that I was fucking flirt with in college and shit. Cause phone bills all from fucking like, what the fuck you get angry about? This shit story is like fucking 20 years old now. And then I was like fucking baller back in the day. Cause all these Chennai kids used to have like prepaid SIM cards. But I was like fucking SIM card from Andhra, postpaid, fucking baller. No fucks given, call as many people as I want. My dad paid the bill. But anyway, smoke some weed. So take hits off the pipe. Like in the morning, wake up, wake and bake. Wake and bake. Some of them used to go to the hotel in Balal to eat breakfast. Some of them used to be showering. I'm like, fucking perfect window. Niggas, watch me get baked now. Load up a pipe, go out, something, nice hits. Come back, fucking be bombed. Then I'll lay down back quickly. Back then I was young. I didn't have attitude. So much of